this video, I'm going to show you how to make the softest and fluffiest naan you'll have ever had. Naan is a type of flatbread you can eat with any curry, and there's a lot of variety when it comes to this. Be sure to pay attention to the ingredients I measure and the quantities, as they play a part in how soft your naan will be. Let's start the recipe by measuring out 1 kg of self-raising flour. It is important you use self-raising flour, as this will determine the fluffiness and softness of your naan. Add in 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. This will give your naan dough the rise it needs and the fluffiness you need for the end. Add in 1 tablespoon of salt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. The oil helps the dough combine well and gives it the softness we are after. Now we want to add in 4 tablespoons of full fat yogurt. In this recipe I'm giving you the yogurt and milk that we're going to use is what gives the naan the ultimate softness, which as you see in some recipes you don't have, as they use water to mix it. Using a spoon, give your ingredients a mix, making sure that all of the wet ingredients are combined and fully incorporated with the dry ingredients. Mix until you get crumbs in your dough like this. Then we're going to add in 2 cups of full fat whole milk. You want to mix first with a spoon to make sure all the ingredients are combined, and then get in with your hands and mix well to make a smooth dough, and knead this for about 5 to 10 minutes until you get a consistency like this. Sprinkle some self-raising flour on the top and between your kneads to ensure that the flour is not sticking to the surface or to your hands and you get a nice soft dough. Cover with cling film and let this sit for 30 minutes at room temperature. I've taken it out now and my dough has risen slightly, as you can see. It's soft to touch. Now we're going to break off a piece and we're going to roll it into a ball. We want to make dough balls over here that we can roll out for shaping the naan. I'm getting it between my palms here and rolling it out, and then once I've formed the dough ball, I'm going to take some flour and press it down into there, making sure that all sides of the dough is coated in flour so it is easy to roll. I'm holding this between my hands and using my fingers to roll it out slightly so it is easier for me to roll it out with a rolling pin. Dust your dough and place it on the work surface and use your rolling pin to roll it out until you get the desired shape. Roll it out until your naan looks like this. You should make sure that your naan is rolled out evenly and the edges of the naan are even. I'm taking a pinch of chopped garlic and a pinch of chopped coriander and sprinkling it on the top of the naan. This adds to the taste and the look of the naan. I'm going to then press this in with my hand slightly first to make sure that when I pick this up it doesn't fall off. I'm then going to go over it with a rolling pin to make sure that the toppings are on properly, and then place this onto the frying pan. I'm taking a tablespoon of oil to fry on each side and drizzling it over the top. This gives it a nice golden touch and fries it slightly so you have a bit of crunch on the naan. Cook your naan on each side for 1 to 2 minutes and press down on the sides to make sure that they are not left raw and are cooked. Flip your naan and now you can see we have a nice, beautiful, soft cooked naan. And just make sure once more that you cook it evenly and equally on both sides. As you can see here, our naan is cooked and is ready to serve. I'm going to plate this. You can cut your naan into half or quarters as I have done here, and plate it and serve with a curry of your choice. This is an easy recipe anyone can follow. Please try and share with your family and friends. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye guys.